So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these 10 WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic concept of living. So guys, in this video we'll talk about reproduction. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the diagram below is an illustration of two different cells involved in a biological process in mammals. Study them and answer the question. Which of the following statements about P and Q is correct? A. The union of both cells gives rise to a new mammal. B. Both cells are structures for asexual reproduction. C. Both cells normally belong to the same individual. D. Both cells are found in plants. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A. The union of both cells gives rise to a new mammal. So take note that these cells are not for asexual reproduction, so B is wrong. And also, these cells normally do not belong to the same individuals, so C is wrong. So they are not found in plants, and D is wrong. So the correct answer to this question, guys, is option A. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. And that's question number 2 here. It says, how many conjugates are involved in sexual reproduction in paramecium? We have A, 8, B, 4, C, 1, D, 2. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's 2. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 3 here, guys. It says, which of the following is a method of artificial vegetative propagation? We have A, layering, B, corn, C, rhizome, and D, creeping stem. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A, and that's layering. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 4 here, it says, which of the following organisms lack a reproductive organ? We have A, pride of Barbados, B, cockroach, C, toad, D, chlamydomonas. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's the chlamydomonas. So the chlamydomonas doesn't have a reproductive organ. And that's it for that question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 5 here, it says, which of the following vertebrates incubate their eggs? We have A, birds, B, amphibians, C, reptiles, D, mammals. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's birds. So guys, that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 6 here, it says, gymnosperms bear naked seeds because they lack A, pollen grains, B, ovary, C, colorful flower, D, stigma. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's the ovary. So gymnosperms do not have an ovary, so they actually bear naked seeds. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 7 here, it says, the advantage of sexual reproduction include the following except A, it provides means for a variation of chromosome number from generation to generation. B, it allows production of desirable traits. C, it allows the formation of new species. D, it permits variation of individuals. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A. Actually, sexual reproduction does not lead to variation of chromosome number. Actually, you still keep getting the same number of chromosomes. You have 23 and 23 from each of the parents, also leading to the 46 chromosomes. So in the right sense, option A is the correct answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 8 here. It says, which of the following describes an example of fertilization in higher organisms? We have A, pollen grain landing on a sticky stigma. B, fission of sperm and egg nuclei. C, ejaculation of sperm into a female body. D, male gametes germinating in the pollen tube. So guys, the fertilization in higher organisms will involve fission of sperm and egg nuclei. So that's it for that question. and that's option B here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 9 here. It says, an inferior ovary of a flower is situated A, at the same level with all the floral parts, B, below the floral parts, C, above the floral parts, D, at the center of the floral parts. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, below the floral parts. And that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next and the last question. That's question number 10 here. It says, use the information on the stages involved in conjugation to answer the question below. Alright, we have here I, transfer of one cell contents into the adjacent cell. II, formation of a conjugation tube. III, secretion of thick wall to form a zygospore. IV, formation of a protuberance, and V, germination of a filament. So it says here, which of the following organisms exhibits the stages listed above during conjugation? We have A, Spirogyra, B, Euglena, C, Chlamydomonas, D, Volvox. So guys, the options here listed here, Spirogyra is actually the organism that exhibits the stages listed above during their conjugation. And that's it for that question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. So this will be very helpful to you even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.